Third class science. We will discuss ninth lesson, measurement. Yes, measurement. Okay. See children, these points are the very important in this lesson. You can practice these points. I can say here, write on the board. You also learn these points. Keep in mind these points. Okay now. First one, measuring, measurement, measurement, using hand span, foot span, cubit. Measurement using hand span, foot span or cubit. These are the not accurate. Okay na? These are the not accurate. Length is measured. Next important point, length. Okay, length is measured in centimeters. Here I write centimeters and meters. Centimeters and meters. Okay. Long distances we measured in meters. Small distance we measured in centimeters. Okay. Length is measured in centimeters and meters. Can you understand, children? Next one, weight. Next important point, weight. Weight is measured in here see, weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Okay, weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Okay, now the commonly used units for measuring weights are grams and kilograms. Okay, now heavy weight things are the measured in kilograms. Okay, light objects are measured in grams. Light objects are measured in grams. Heavy objects are measured in kilograms. Okay, grams and kilograms are weight measurements. Okay, length is measured in centimeters and meters. Centimeters means less distance we measured in centimeters. Long distance we measured in meters. Next, weight is measured in grams and kilograms. And heavy objects are measured in kilograms. Less objects are they measured in grams. Next, capacity. Next one, capacity. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Huge amount we measured in liters. Okay, and తక్కువ కామన్ యూజ్డ్ ఇన్ మెజర్ కెపాసిటర్ మిల్లీలీటర్స్ అండ్ లీటర్స్. ఎక్కువ అమౌంట్ లిక్విడ్ని, దీస్ ఆర్ ది లిక్విడ్స్ని ఎక్కువగా మనం మిల్లీలీటర్స్లో లీటర్స్లో మెజర్ చేస్తాము. ఓకే, పెట్రోల్, ఆయిల్, మిల్క్, దీస్ ఆర్ ది మెజర్డ్ ఇన్ milliliters and liters. Okay children, capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. Once again I repeat you, he sees children once. Measurement using hand span, foot span and cubit, these are the accurate. Okay, these are the not accurate. Length is measured in centimeters and meters. Weight is measured in grams and kilograms. Capacity is measured in milliliters and liters. We can first keep in mind these 4 points. Okay, length, weight, capacity measured. These are the main, children. You can learn these names, spellings. Okay, next one, tick the correct option. Tick the correct answer lo. First one, I've written the only answers. Rulers, meter rods and measuring tapes are commonly used for measuring capacity, weight, length. Which one, children? Length. Option C, length. Okay. Second one, the commonly used units for measuring weight are grams and kilograms, meter and centimeter, milliliter and liter. Option A, gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram. Gram and kilogram. Next, third one. Which one is wrong? 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 minutes in 1 hour, 60 hours is equal to 1 minute. Which is the wrong? 60 hours in 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour అన్నప్పుడు 60 hours is equal to 1 minute ఎలా అవుతుంది కదా? It's wrong. 60, option C, 60 hours is equal to 1 minute is wrong. Fourth one, a thermometer is used to measure pressure, capacity, temperature. Option C, temperature. Okay, children, once again I repeat you. First one C, second one A, third one C, fourth one C. Okay, now next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I've written the answers only. See, children, and carefully write to your textbook. First one, the standard unit of length is. The standard unit of length is meter. The standard unit of length is meter. M-E-T-R-E, meter. Second one, light weights are measured in. Light weights nela measure chestam grams. G-R-A-M-S, grams. Light weights and light objects are measured in grams. Third one, the symbol for liter is. The symbol for liter is oblique, like this. Okay, now fourth one, an electronic balance is used to measure what weight? The electronic balance is measured to weight. V-E-I-G-H-T, weight. Okay, now children, can you understand? You correctly keep in textbook and write textbook. Write spellings is very important. Meter, grams, weight. Okay, next one, question and answers, children. See beat. Here there are 5 question and answers. Name 3 body parts that were used by people long ago to measure length. Second one, name the 2 instruments used to measure weight. Third one, what is capacity? Fourth one, which instruments are used for measuring capacity? Fifth one, name 2 scales used for measuring temperature. Okay, now these 5 question and answers I can say now. See, children. Okay, children, here see, children, I write only answers on the board. See, children. Okay, you can write question and answer both in your notebook. First question answer, palm, hand, and foot are 3 body parts. 3 body parts that were that were used by people used by people used by people long ago to measure length, long ago to measure length, measure length. It is the first question answer. Okay na? Palm and hand and foot are three body parts that were used by people long ago to measure length. Second question answer. The common and second question answer. The common balance and the electronic balance are the used two instruments used to measure length. Okay, now once again I repeat you second question answer. The common balance and the electronic balance are the two instruments are used to measure length. Third answer, see children. Third answer, what is a capacity? Okay, the capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a vessels can hold. It is a third question answer. The capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a vessels can hold. Okay, fourth question answer. The measuring cylinders and measuring cans are the instruments used for measuring capacity. Okay, fourth question answer. Next, fifth question answer. The centigrade. Fifth question answer. The centigrade scale or Fahrenheit scale are used for measuring temperature. Can you understand, children? These are the 5 question and answers. First one, palm and foot are 3 body parts that were used by people long ago to measure length. Second question answer, the common balance and the electronic balance are the 2 instruments used to measure length. Third one, the capacity is the quantity of a liquid which a vessels can hold. Fourth one, the measuring cylinders and measuring cans are the instruments used for measuring capacity. The centigrade scale or Fahrenheit scale are used for measuring temperature. These are the 9th lesson question and answers, children. You can write question and answer both in your notebook and carefully, children, and don't write mistakes. Okay na? And final exam syllabus 1 to 9 lessons. You can practice 1 to 9 lessons question and answers and bit part. Okay, children, thank you.